Hi guys, welcome back to my channel
YouTube
at
channel.
OFW in Hong Kong. You can see guys, oh, beautiful flower. What kind of flower of this? Anong klaseng bulaklak ito? Sis.
Bills.
Ang ganda siya. Parang ano, oh, ang kapal. Yeah, this is my friend. Ka-building ko dito sa Hong Kong. After namin gala, nakakatawa guys kasi kumain kami ng chicken doon sa isang fast food. And then, after that guys, takbo-takbo kami kasi yung pet namin, ay, bigla naman umarangkada yung aming tiyan. Nagkaroon siya ng revolution. Yeah, tingnan nyo guys, oh. Ganito pala siya. And then, they have a bulb like this. Yan. Yeah, this is Happy Valley Creation Ground. Yan. If you can see guys, maraming naglalaro ng mga football. Yeah, pwede kayo dito. Training. Iba-ibang klaseng dito. Mga training ground. May football, may soccer. Ay, soccer, football is the same. In English lang. Yeah. And then, you can see the sceneries here, guys. All around these buildings. Yeah. The weather is too hot, wet, and humid. Ibang klase. Yan, ang aking kaibigan. And then, kompleto din dito guys, mayroon siyang mga locker. Paglalagyan nyo ng mga gamit nyo, hingi lang kayo ng susi, water and everything is here. May toilet din. Yeah, kaya walang problema dito. Yeah. Ito guys, papunta ng yan dyan. Part of Causeway Bay. Going over there guys. Na ganda ng view, diba?
Valley Race Course.
Yeah. This is Happy Valley Race Course. Pwede rin kayo mag-hires dyan. Hirers. For hirers only.
Matakbong kabayo.
Yeah.
Horse racing.
May horse racing. Ito yung yan ground niya. Kung gusto niyo pumunta dito to visit Happy Valley Race Course. Andito lang yan siya guys. And if you can see guys, there are so many kids training for soccer. Nagsasoccer sila. We're going up. Up, up, up.
Ito mo si Adel.
Parang siya. First aid room. Tsaka it looks like a restaurant over here. We go up? Okay. Kat daw kami dito guys. Yan, papunta din dito. Yan. Have a stairs guys. Let's see. Siya, makulimlim ang weather. Pero ang pangit talaga kasi siya, humid, napaka-humid. A little bit windy. Oh. Yan. Ito talaga makikita. You can see guys, so many people over there. Children, adults playing soccer, football, and everything, oh guys, here. Tingnan niyo guys, oh. Wow. Ito yung sa gitna ng race course. And behind there, yan ang takbuhan ng mga kabayo dyan sa green na yan. Greenery. Dyan, tumatakbo yung mga kabayo. Yan. Pwede din kayo dito walking exercise guys. Di ba? Maganda ang view. Bundok naman yan dyan siya, guys. Yan. Yan. Ganda, di ba? Grabe. Pag ano talaga, guys, yung holidays, kagaya ng weekends, we have so many people over here. Training ng mga bata for football. Ang dami, no? Many people. Oh, wow. Galing. And then we continue walking. Yan, guys. Ayan si Lola. Nag-walking. Training ng mga kabataan, guys. Oh. So cute. Yeah, training. Ito yung area, guys, for walking. Yan, maraming nagja-jogging, walking, and then behind there, guys, yan ang takbuhan ng kabayo, yung green dyan, that part. Pero inside, if you can see, ano talaga siya, may mga soccer, ano sila, training. Galing, no? Hindi mabuboring yung mga kids nyo dito, guys. Pag ano. Yan. Yan mga net nila. Yan. Pwede rin kayo mag-jogging beside here. Pero doon banda. Sa pangalawang 1, 2. Kabila. Ano na yan dyan? Race course. Every Wednesday yata dito may ano. If you can see, guys, oh,